Sino ba naman ang ayaw ng ekstrang kita? So try mo to, simple side hustles na swak sa schedule mo. Una, online reselling. I have interviewed on DZMM Teleradyo real people who have started with no capital through online reselling lang. Pangalawa, content creation like TikTok or YouTube Shorts, perfect kung mahilig ka magkwento ng buhay mo. Pangatlo, freelance services tulad ng graphic design, writing, o virtual assistant. Pakalaki ng demand. Pwede rin tutoring online, lalo na kung expertise mo yung subject at kung marunong kang magluto, subukan mo ang home-based food business. Anong secret? Piliin ang hustle na bagay sa lifestyle mo, tapos commitment lang. Kaya mo yan, Katala.